This is a 27-inch smart digital calendar, and in this video, I'm walking through the full setup process, and at the end, I'll show you how it actually works once everything is up and running. Right away, the screen size really stands out. It's 27 inches, 1920 by 1080, full HD IPS touchscreen, so everything is bright, clear, and easy to read from across the room. That makes it perfect for family planning, shared schedules, and daily reminders. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Once it's powered on, you can connect it to Wi-Fi, sign in, and then start syncing calendars. You can add multiple family members, color code events, and set up monthly or weekly views depending on how you like to plan. One of my favorite features is how customizable it is. You can use it as a family calendar, a chore chart, or both. Each person can have their own schedule, and it's easy to see who needs to be where at a glance. This is especially helpful for busy households where everyone has something going on all the time. The touchscreen is responsive and easy to use. Swiping between days, weeks, and months feels smooth, and adding or editing events right on the screen is simple. You can also mount it to the wall or use the included desk mount depending on where it fits best in your space. Now at the end of the video, I'm showing how it works once everything is set up. You can see how quickly the calendar updates, how the chore chart displays, and how easy it is to interact with daily schedules. Overall, this digital calendar is a great option if you want one central place for family planning. The large screen, clear display, and interactive features make staying organized much easier, and it's a really nice upgrade from my traditional chalkboard calendar that I had to fill out every month and try to make it as aesthetically pleasing as I could.